Hello friends and welcome back. It's so wonderful to have you here today as we dive into an incredibly important and fascinating topic, one that affects so many people around the world. I'm thrilled to share with you the secrets to protecting your mind and preserving your memory with 10 miracle vitamins that prevent dementia. As we get older, we all want to stay sharp, keep our minds clear, and hold on to those precious memories for as long as possible. And guess what? There are certain vitamins and nutrients that can play a powerful role in doing just that. Today, I'm going to walk you through the top vitamins that science has shown to have an impact on brain health, cognitive function, and dementia prevention. These aren't just any vitamins, they're the miracle workers that help protect our brains from the inside out, keeping us sharp, focused, and vibrant. So whether you're looking out for yourself or for a loved one, I'm here to help you stay informed and empowered. Make sure you stick around until the end because I've got some great tips on how to get these vitamins into your daily routine. Let's get started. Vitamin B12, Cobalamin. Now, let's dive into the first miracle vitamin on our list, Vitamin B12, also known as Cobalamin. This one is absolutely crucial when it comes to brain health, and here's why. Vitamin B12 plays a starring role in keeping our nerves and brain cells healthy. It helps with the production of DNA, supports red blood cell formation, and is essential for proper neurological function. When we don't get enough of it, the consequences can be serious. Memory problems, confusion, even symptoms that look a lot like dementia. Here's the amazing part. Studies show that maintaining good levels of B12 may actually help reduce the risk of dementia and other cognitive issues. This vitamin is like brain food, fueling everything from memory to mood. And if you're low on it, you might feel fatigued, experience memory lapses, or have difficulty concentrating. But here's the catch. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 decreases. So even if you're eating foods that contain it, you might not be getting enough. Good news? You can find vitamin B12 in foods like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy, or even take it as a supplement. So if you want to keep your mind sharp and your memory strong, don't overlook the power of vitamin B12. Vitamin D. Next up is the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D. You may know it for its role in keeping your bones strong, but did you know it's also a powerful protector of your brain? Vitamin D is absolutely essential for brain health and cognitive function. Research has shown that having enough vitamin D may lower your risk of cognitive decline and even dementia as you age. But here's the thing, millions of people around the world are actually deficient in this vital vitamin, especially as we spend more time indoors. Vitamin D works by helping to protect neurons from damage and reducing inflammation in the brain, two key factors when it comes to preventing cognitive decline. It also supports the production of important neurotransmitters that influence mood, memory, and mental clarity. In fact, low levels of vitamin D have been linked to increased risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. The easiest way to get vitamin D? A little sunshine. Just 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure a few times a week can help your body produce it naturally. You can also find it in foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks, or take it as a supplement if needed. So if you're looking to give your brain a boost, make sure you're getting enough vitamin D to keep your mind bright and sharp. Vitamin E. Now let's talk about a true superhero in the world of vitamins. Vitamin E. This powerhouse antioxidant is all about protecting your brain from the inside out, and here's why it's so important. Vitamin E's main job is to defend your cells from oxidative stress. Just like how rust can damage metal over time, oxidative stress can harm your brain cells, making them more vulnerable to cognitive decline. That's where vitamin E steps in, acting like a shield, protect your neurons from this type of damage. Studies have shown that maintaining good levels of vitamin E may actually slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease and improve overall brain function as we age. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin E also supports healthy blood circulation in the brain, ensuring that those crucial brain cells are getting the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. This makes it a key player in keeping your memory sharp and your mental clarity intact. You can find vitamin E in foods like nuts, seeds, spinach, and olive oil. Just a handful of almonds or sunflower seeds can give you a great dose, and if you're not getting enough through food, supplements are also a good option. So when it comes to fighting off the effects of aging on your brain, vitamin E is definitely one to keep in your arsenal. Omega-3 fatty acids, DHA and EPA. Let's dive into another game changer for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA and EPA. These essential fats are like brain fuel, and they play a critical role in preventing cognitive decline and dementia. DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid, is one of the primary building blocks of the brain. It helps maintain the structure and function of brain cells, which is vital for memory and cognitive performance. EPA, or eicosapentaenoic acid, works alongside DHA to reduce inflammation in the brain, a key factor that contributes to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Together, DHA and EPA act like a double defense system for your brain, helping to keep neurons healthy and communication between brain cells running smoothly. What's more, studies have shown that people who regularly consume omega-3s have a lower risk of developing dementia and other forms of cognitive decline. These fats are also known to improve mood and mental clarity, making them essential for overall brain health. The best sources of omega-3s? Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with DHA and EPA. If fish isn't your thing, you can also find omega-3 supplements like fish oil or algae oil. So if you want to give your brain the best protection possible, make sure you're including omega-3s in your diet to keep your mind sharp and your memory strong. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Up next, we have vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, another essential nutrient when it comes to keeping your brain healthy and sharp. Vitamin B6 is like a multitasker for the brain, playing a critical role in cognitive function, mood regulation, and even memory. So how does it work? One of vitamin B6's most important jobs is helping your body produce neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, all of which are responsible for regulating mood and keeping your brain's communication system running smoothly. When your brain is low on these neurotransmitters, you may experience cognitive problems, memory lapses, and even mood swings, all of which are often linked to dementia. But that's not all. Vitamin B6 also helps lower homocysteine levels in the blood, an amino acid that, in high amounts, can increase the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By keeping homocysteine in check, vitamin B6 helps protect your brain cells from damage and ensures proper blood flow to the brain. You can find vitamin B6 in foods like poultry, fish, potatoes, bananas, and chickpeas. Including these in your diet can give your brain the boost it needs to stay healthy and resilient. So if you want to support your brain's ability to think clearly and stay sharp as you age, make sure vitamin B6 is part of your daily routine. Vitamin B9, folate. Now let's shine the spotlight on vitamin B9, better known as folate, a powerhouse nutrient that plays a key role in maintaining cognitive function and brain health. Folate is essential for DNA repair and the production of neurotransmitters, making it a vital player in how our brain operates day to day. One of folate's most critical functions is helping your brain produce and regulate key neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which are responsible for mood, memory, and cognitive clarity. Low levels of folate have been linked to cognitive decline and an increased risk of dementia. That's why ensuring you're getting enough of this vitamin can help keep your brain sharp and your memory strong. Folate also works in tandem with other B vitamins like B6 and B12 to reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that in high amounts can damage blood vessels in the brain and lead to an increased risk of Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. You can easily get folate from foods like leafy green vegetables, beans, citrus fruits, and fortified cereals. For those who may have difficulty absorbing it through food, folic acid supplements are also a great option. So if you want to protect your brain from cognitive decline and keep your mind vibrant, be sure to include plenty of folate-rich foods in your diet. Thiamine, vitamin B1. Now, let's talk about thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, key player when it comes to brain health and energy production. Thiamine is one of the essential B vitamins, and it's absolutely vital for the brain's ability to function properly. Think of it as the spark that keeps your brain's engine running smoothly. Thiamine helps your brain convert carbohydrates into energy, giving your neurons the fuel they need to work efficiently. It's also critical for nerve function and supports the transmission of signals between brain cells. Without enough thiamine, your brain can become sluggish, leading to issues with memory, concentration, and even mood. What's really interesting is that severe thiamine deficiency can lead to a condition known as Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, which is characterized by memory problems and confusion, similar to dementia. This shows just how important thiamine is in maintaining cognitive function. You can find thiamine in a variety of foods, such as whole grains, meat, legumes, and nuts. However, certain health conditions or habits like chronic alcohol use can deplete thiamine levels, making it important to ensure you're getting enough of this crucial nutrient. So, if you're looking to boost your brain's energy and keep your memory sharp, don't forget about the powerful benefits of thiamine in your daily diet. Vitamin C. Let's dive into another essential nutrient for brain health. Vitamin C. You may know it as the vitamin that keeps your immune system strong, but did you know that vitamin C also plays a powerful role in protecting your brain? Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, which means it helps fight off oxidative stress, one of the major contributors to brain aging and cognitive decline. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, vitamin C helps protect your brain cells from damage, which can lower the risk of conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. But that's not all. Vitamin C is also involved in producing neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, which are crucial for mood regulation and brain function. This makes it a key player in keeping your memory sharp and your thinking clear. One of the best parts about vitamin C is how easy it is to incorporate into your diet. You can find it in abundance in fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis, as well as vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. Plus, since vitamin C is water-soluble, your body can't store it, so it's important to get it regularly through food or supplement. So if you want to give your brain a strong defense against aging and keep your cognitive function in top shape, make sure vitamin C is part of your daily routine. Vitamin K. Let's move on to a lesser-known but incredibly important brain-boosting nutrient, vitamin K. You might have heard about vitamin K for its role in blood clotting, but did you know that it's also essential for cognitive health and brain function? Vitamin K plays a crucial part in protecting the brain by supporting the production of sphingolipids, which are fats found in brain cell membrane. These fats are vital for maintaining the structure and function of brain cells, ensuring they communicate properly and stay healthy. Recent studies suggest that people with higher levels of vitamin K tend to have better memory performance and overall cognitive function, making it a key nutrient in the fight against dementia. Vitamin K is also believed to help protect the brain from inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. By supporting brain cell survival and proper blood flow to the brain, vitamin K helps keep your mind sharp and your memory strong. You can find vitamin K in green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli, as well as in foods like eggs and fermented foods like natto. If you're not getting enough through your diet, there are also supplements. So, if you're looking to support long-term brain health and reduce the risk of dementia, make sure vitamin K is part of your daily nutrition. Choline. Next on our list of brain-boosting nutrients is choline, an often overlooked but incredibly important compound for cognitive health. Choline is essential for producing acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a critical role in memory, mood, and overall cognitive function. Acetylcholine is like the brain's messenger, helping cells communicate effectively. When acetylcholine levels drop, you might experience memory lapses, difficulty concentrating, or even symptoms that resemble early dementia. That's why getting enough choline is so important. It helps keep your brain's communication system running smoothly and efficiently. But that's not all. Choline is also a key component in maintaining the structure of brain cell membrane, ensuring that your brain cells remain flexible and healthy as you age. Some studies suggest that higher choline intake may reduce the risk of cognitive decline and improve brain health, especially in older adults. You can find choline in foods like eggs, chicken, fish, and soybeans. In fact, egg yolks are one of the richest sources of choline, making them a brain-friendly food. For those who may need a little extra, choline supplements are also available. So if you want to keep your brain sharp, your memory strong, and support lifelong cognitive health, make sure you're getting enough choline in your diet. It's a simple yet powerful way to protect your brain from the effects of aging. Stay steady, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.